Hello there and good day guys, and welcome back to my channel. And right now is we are going to make a video tutorial about where I will show you how to connect the Shopify to Tradelle step by step. So here you will be able to see here the Shopify. So either you're looking to streamline your e-commerce business or expand your sales channel, this integration can help you manage inventory and order more efficiently. But first, let's quickly define what Shopify and Tradelle are. So Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platform. And then here it simplifies the entire online retail process. And then here in the Tradelle is a wholesale marketplace designed to connect suppliers with online retailers. So it helps retailers source products in bulk from a variety of verified suppliers. So it also integrates with popular e-commerce platforms. And then going back here on this Shopify, you can see here, so you'll be able to easily connect Shopify to Tradelle by syncing your product listings and automatically fulfill orders. So the first thing you need to do is to, of course, log in your account to this both website. And then here you will be able to see here on this Shopify, the online store. So you can see here guys, so this is basically your online store on the Shopify. So why connect Shopify to Tradelle? So by integrating Shopify with Tradelle, you can automate product updates, manage inventory levels in real time, and streamline order fulfillment. So it makes your workflow faster and more efficient, so allowing you to focus on growing your business. So on this part guys, you'll be able to see here the current trends. So this is the website, the Tradelle. And then here in the fulfillment, you'll be able to see here the different sections. And then in this instruction guys, here you'll be seeing here drop shipping, and then they will tell you how does this work. So how does this work? You just need to connect your Shopify store to connect your bank account, and then import products from the dashboard into your store, and then Tradelle detects purchases, collects your product cost from you. So here guys, they will only teach you how to connect your Shopify store. So the Tradelle will teach you or will instruct you how to connect your Shopify store. So the first thing you need to do is to open the fulfillment page in the Tradelle dashboard. So in the left side guys, you will be able to see there a fulfillment, and you just need to tap on that one. So they said here that you can choose connect Shopify, connect store. So here guys, so search for the Tradelle app. And then as you can see here, you will be able to type the URL of your store under the Shopify store URL. So note guys, the URL your customers would type to find your store. So common patterns are just like mypetshop.com. So here you'll be able to see here, choose connect. You'll be redirected to Shopify to authorize the connection. You can also choose that install app. And then going back here, many stores can be connected to Tradelle. However, a store can only be connected to a single Tradelle account. So let's go here to the fulfillment, where you will be able to see here the products. And then in this section, you will see here different products. And at the top of that one, you'll be able to see your fulfillment by Tradelle, and there are different sections here, different icons. And then this is the following products are available for drop shipping via partnership, just like the Shopify. So you'll be able to see here the instruction, the payment methods, and here is the connect Shopify. So once you find it, you just need to tap on that one, and then here you will also see here imported products and then inquiry. And then what you need to do is you just need to click on this one, the Shopify. And once you click it, you will be able to see here, connect a Shopify store to get started. So overview of all your connected Shopify stores. So connected Shopify stores. So here guys, you can now see here that it will automatically ship products from Tradelle's warehouse to your customers. You can either choose Learn More or Connect Store. And if you click on the Connect Store, guys, for example, today's is, again, let's try to tap on this one and then let's Connect Store. They will tell you that you need to upgrade to get full access because this Tradelle app, guys, have a free plan, but some features is limited, just like this one. You cannot connect your Shopify account to Tradelle if you are not upgraded to their premium plan. So you need to avail it. So this feature is only available with the full version of Tradelle. So we need to get the full version of Tradelle, guys, in order to connect our Shopify account to this website. So what you need to do is, if you want to upgrade it, you just need to tap on that one and then you will be directed to this page where you will be seeing here the prices of your premium plan. Either you want to choose monthly, yearly, or lifetime. Here, they will remove all the limitations and then will get you the full access here. So, on this monthly, guys, one sale a month will cover the cost of your subscription. Then you will, if you want to choose this one, you just need to click on that Get 1 Month Plan for you to connect your Shopify to your Tradelle account. And on this yearly, guys, it is $19. And you just need to tap on that Get 1 Year Plan if you wanted to. And assuming, guys, that we have a we just avail this one, let's try to assume. And then you will be directed to this page where this is the billing address. You will enter your first name, your last name, your postal code, and then your country. And then you just need to tap on that next step, the blue button, after you will fill in all the field here. So for example, to that, guys, is you will have now a premium plan. So the next thing you need to do after that one is, for example, to that is you avail the Tradelle monthly. You can now easily sync your product listings and automatically fulfill orders. So here, guys, you will be heading over again to your Shopify App Store. And then Shopify authorization screen, clicking authorize. So the Shopify will add you. So just imagine, and let's just assume, guys, that I got just a premium plan, and then the next thing you'll need to do is the Shopify will ask you to authorize the connection between your store and the Tradelle, and then you need to go ahead and click authorize to grant the necessary permission. So again, guys, after you fill in this one, you just need to go there and then tap on the next step, and then the Tradelle dashboard with product options. So once the connection is established, you can begin syncing your Tradelle products to your Shopify. So that's how you connect your Shopify account to your Tradelle account. So I hope you learned this video, and then please like this video.